Okay, continuing with the session. Of course, we have missed out some feedbacks of the candidates in Telegram. So all those people who are not knowing that we are also having a Telegram channel, you can daily attempt WAT, TAT and as well as SRT on this channel @ SSB discussion, or you can also search @ SSB for life. You will directly be reconnected to this channel. So today's first reply will go to Ravinder. I think he has attempted the SRT of yesterday. So Ravinder can refer yesterday's SRT. I think no need to repeat this. We will start from today's SRT. I think you have seen all the questions before. So first reply will be given to Pooja Yadav. She has replied. First answer is correct, but you have not admitted the person to nearest hospital because it is a serious injury, right? And the rest of the things, like you have mentioned that you gave him a first aid, but it is okay, but at the same time you have to also admit him to the hospital after the train stops in next railway station. Giving medication will not work to cure him. Rest SRT I have read and nothing as such I found that in which you can improve. And this is the SRT I was telling other people. The other solution can be like this. This for the dacoits one. Since there are dacoits who are very dangerous, and you have to go to city with cash. So instead of taking the cash, you can also withdraw the money from the ATM card when you have reached your destination. And she has also replied very well. Pulled the chain, asked the lady to inform RPF and ran behind him. With the help of RPF, caught the snatcher and gave purse to lady. This is also a desirable answer. Now replying to Govind Sharma, his first replies is just like an escaping the situation, right? You are actually dreaming. You have written that he wake up and found that he just had a bad dream. You can also write the same SRT or the same reaction to all the SRTs. I think there is no purpose of giving the SRT from the psychologist even. So these are the answers which are really not expected out from you. You are an officer, you are a leader. These are the SRTs. These are given because these are the situation you are ought to answer. You are not supposed to write these kind of answers like there is a drama going on. You had just a bad dream. He suddenly waked up. These are not the answers which are really expected out from you as a leader. So you can improve on it. You can refer back our discussion. In 87 you can also informed your seniors as well as you can raise the alarm. Otherwise it is also a good answer. In 89 you have written the answer that he is going to attempt the examination for his next attempt, right? So we have already discussed. You can also refer it back. I also suggest not to drop 1 year again, otherwise it's your choice. In 91 you can increase the line of action. It is an incomplete answer. I have read all the SRTs of Akriti. So in 89 you have told his brother, he has told his brother, correction, 18 correction 90 SRT, right? You are going to city with a cash and now you are asking your friend to accompany him. This actually shows now that you are not having a courage. You got feared from these dacoits. There you can refer back our discussion. This is a good answer. You have informed local police as well as you have took public modes of transportation. Yes, this is a good option, but I really don't feel that you need a friend to accompany you. You are a person who is a bold. That ATM method can be used to take the cash from one place to another. Rest SRT is good. I have read the SRT of Yogi even. He has attempted very well. All the SRTs are good. After reading the SRT of Zura, she has added new thing here. She looked for the doctor on board. Yes, this is also an option. May possible there can be a doctor in train even, है ना? So you can also apply this thing in your SRT. And later on you can add one thing, you can admit that person to the hospital because it is a severe bleeding, because after getting hurt from a pole is a very serious case. And this is a complete plan of action. After the shelling, they started and they informed their seniors and got clearance for retaliation, calculated enemy position and motivated, briefed team and silenced the artilleries. She has completed the objective. Moreover, she has even informed their seniors, and even they retaliated the enemy position, है ना? So I really feel that this is a very good answer. You can also write this answer. In 90 you can refer back our discussion. I really don't think taking ATM is a bad option, right? The best option could be taking ATM. Otherwise, taking train, you are making the situation more complicated. This is a very simple situation. Rest SRT are good. Next is Victoria. I have taken the SRT from her only, so no need to give feedback to her. Already given. Now next, finally all SRTs are over. In this way we have concluded our discussion of daily TAT, WAT and SRT, and I hope you are also getting help from this initiative and you might be improving day by day and making yourself a better person. The motive of attempting the SRTs and practicing these SRTs is not just to learn or mug up. This is also inculcate the habit, and slowly and gradually we are building up the SRTs. Building our OLQs, because SRTs, these are the basic thing. Most of the situation you might have seen, they are correlated to your daily life, and if these SRTs are practically being attempted by you in your daily life, then definitely you are also building up your OLQs, and in this way you can definitely can become a better person day by day, and you can achieve your dream in a simplified manner. And all those people who are attempting it seriously and sincerely, only those people will get the benefit. Otherwise, the people who are just watching the videos and just looking at the answers of other people, definitely it will never help you, right? I'm assuring you, whenever means it will only help you when you will attempt by yourself. You can attempt it in your copy, whether it is, you can also type here, then only it will help you, otherwise never. Try to learn from other people also. With this we end up the session of today. Make sure you also invite your friends who are also SSB aspirants or defense aspirants, so that they can also get the benefit of it. Because you know, caring is just like when you share the initiative with your friends. And since you are also a leader, helping is the foremost quality of a leader. And the PDF of all the SRTs TAT will be posted in Telegram, so you can connect us on that channel also. So we'll meet up in the next session. That's all. Thank you and have a good day.